Wow. Wow. Holy crap, look at this.
Gleaming, right?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, everything cleaned up really nice.
You kidding?
Single stage, the hood came back, the new paint. Yeah, go ahead, do a walk around, check it out.
Wow. This looks brand new.
Yeah.
It's not bad for, what,
So I know when they do the truck wash, the only thing I would tell them not to use is an acid wash on the aluminum.
Yeah.
The acid wash still can stain.
Right.
But
Yeah.
if anything, you just acid wipe the wheels, and that'll bring back the polished look.
Wow. Pretty good for 21 years old, right?
Absolutely.
But you guys are brilliant. Wow, look at this.
We did the big door sills.
Yep.
So polished, the film goes all the way to here.
Yep. Beautiful.
You can step on it, you can scratch it. It's
Yep. I love how the fenders came up.
Yep.
Yeah.
They came up really well.
Polish this, polish that, the whole back's done, the chrome vinyl.
Yep. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Nice touch. That did
Ties
come up well.
everything in.
Yeah. Good work. The back of the cab came up well too,
Yeah.
because that was a mess.
And everything has ceramic. The flares, the tank, the cab.
Even this came up pretty good too. Yep.
Able to fit a buffer in there.
Good work. Wow. This is awesome, guys.
Even the top of the sleeper we were able to polish, and it kind of just
Yeah.
helped fill the cracks.
Yeah.
And make it kind of all smooth over.
Beautiful, guys. Yeah, the top of it came up really well. You can't notice a lot of the white cracking in it.
That's what I was saying. A lot of
Yeah.
the white like filled in.
The ceramic's like half the thickness of a coat of clear.
Right,
So when we wipe it on, it kind of soaks into the fiberglass and hides any of those
right,
stretch cracks.
right. Wow. I can't believe it. Even the top of the cab. Yeah.
Yeah, I think like the very center of the sleeper was the only spot we couldn't reach. We had the
Yeah.
ladder on a table, but everything was
Wow.
killer.
Just got to give Grumpy a touch up. Wow.
Yeah, I can just do it.
It's also kind of tricky, but still you can get it done with the tool.
All right.